Microwaving dinner seems harmless until the container itself becomes the threat. Some plastics and foam trays leak chemicals when hit with heat, especially when the food is greasy or saucy. But others are designed for safety, and the difference isn't obvious at all. In this video, we'll expose 10 quick meals that turn toxic under normal reheating and highlight the few that pass both taste and safety. If you use your microwave daily, this will change what you grab next time. Number 1. Hungry Man Salisbury Steak. You think the Hungry Man Salisbury Steak is just another big comfort dinner? But this tray hides 3 hidden risks before you even peel back the film. The thick brown gravy, dense slab of meat, and deep plastic tray seems sturdy, but only on paper. What happens in the microwave is far less stable. When a meal is that heavy, the microwave waves can't penetrate all the way through at the same rate. The outer inch boils, bubbles, and looks ready, but the center hangs back in the danger zone, below 140 degrees. Warm enough for bacteria to thrive. It's the same effect you see when soup scalds at the edge but stays cool in the middle. Except here you're dealing with beef and gravy, not water, and that difference matters for microbes. Then there's the tray itself. The glossy layer that keeps it looking clean isn't built for fat-rich sauce at high heat. When the hot oil slides against that plastic, additives can migrate into your food, especially as the tray warps or flexes under microwave stress. The surface might be steaming, but inside that meat, bacteria can be waking up. Exactly what you thought the freezer killed. Safety experts agree, move it to a shallow glass dish and stir halfway through. The fix is quick, heat evenly. Check for at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit inside the steak, and skip the plastic risk altogether. Number 2. Banquet Mega Meals. Banquet Mega Meals make a big promise. Huge portions and fast comfort food at a low price. But that value deal flips when the tray itself can contaminate your meal. The problem isn't only the food, it's how the different sections, meat, mashed potatoes, sauce, and dessert, react under heat. Each has its own density and moisture level, which means one section scorches while another barely warms. In an average microwave, those differences turn into food safety roulette. The meat compartment might look ready while the potatoes or brownie hover below the safe zone for killing bacteria. You'll see one side bubbling hard as the other sits still. One section boils while the brownie melts into sludge, leaving you with a tray full of half-cooked, over-processed chaos. Then there's the grease factor. As hot fat runs across the tray, it can pull chemical additives from the plastic, especially at the corners where the material thins under heat. Add the filler-heavy recipe, high sodium, processed fats, and stabilizers, and you've built a setup for oxidation and off flavors that none of the packaging discloses. Microwave energy breaks those ingredients down, not just altering taste, but forming compounds linked to heart stress when eaten often. Here's the safe fix. Divide the portions and reheat them separately. Use a shallow, oven-safe dish or glass plate, and make sure every part hits full temperature before digging in. Number 3. Michelina's Fettuccine Alfredo. That white sauce looks cozy, but the microwave tears it apart. Michelina's Fettuccine Alfredo is built on a dairy base, and dairy doesn't handle direct microwave heat well. When exposed unevenly, the emulsion that keeps cream, butter, and cheese mixed begins to split. You end up with a glossy layer of oil sitting on top, while the remaining sauce turns sticky and dull underneath. Once that oily layer forms, the real problem starts. The overheated fat pushes against the plastic tray, and the hot grease can speed up the movement of chemicals from the container into your food. Most people see the noodles tightening and turning rubbery before they realize what's happening inside the tray. Those slick pools of separated fat are the early sign that it's gone too far. Chemically, overheated dairy and processed cheese create reaction products from cholesterol and protein oxidation. They're small in amount, but consistent when you keep cooking it this way, especially in confined plastic where heat can't disperse. Unlike burnt edges on a pan, this reaction isn't visible until you taste the off flavor. The fix is practical. Transfer creamy meals to a glass bowl and stir every 30 seconds so heat spreads evenly. Or use low power and add a splash of moisture for gentle warming. Slower reheating keeps the sauce together and cuts out the contact with hot plastic altogether. Number 4. Hot Pockets Pepperoni Pizza. A late-night Hot Pocket feels simple. Wrap, microwave, eat. But this snack can turn risky fast. The sealed dough traps both steam and fat, creating uneven heating inside. The crust often scorches while the middle stays cold. When the pepperoni fat hits high temperatures, proteins in the meat start to change and oxidized byproducts appear. Those chemical shifts are known to dull flavor and, when eaten often, raise concerns for your heart over time. The design itself stacks the odds against you. thick dough shields the core from energy waves, so it never reaches the same heat as the outer shell. That cool center isn't just unappetizing. It leaves processed meat and cheese at temperatures that bacteria can tolerate. The sleeve marked as microwave safe is still paper-lined. When grease soaks through, sticky adhesives under the lining can break down from the heat and smear into your snack. It all adds up to the classic explosive hot pocket problem. Steam pressure builds until the crust bursts, leaving some bites scorching hot and others undercooked. Quick convenience replaces safety and texture with a gamble on both. The practical fix is simple. Split or vent the pastry before heating to let steam escape. For best results, place it on a paper towel over a glass plate and slice it in half after microwaving to confirm the center's actually hot. Number 5. Stouffer's mac and cheese. You trust the name on that red box, and it feels safe because the recipe hasn't changed in decades. But inside that glossy orange sauce, the science isn't on your side. The Stouffer's mac and cheese packs dense starch and dairy into one tight block. That mix traps steam under the top layer instead of letting it circulate. The edges boil and bubble like lava, while the center stays calm, coasting below 140 degrees Fahrenheit, the range bacteria love. That's the problem with creamy starches. They insulate themselves. Even when the tray steams, the inner core may never reach safety. Pasta and rice dishes have another hitch. Bacillus spores. These heat-resistant cells can survive partial reheating, then multiply as the food cools. So that leftover rich middle isn't harmless? It's a potential culture zone if it doesn't hit full temperature. Then there's the tray itself. It's meant for single use, but many people reuse or overheat it. Warping and dark discoloration show up after just a few cycles. That distortion means chemical stability is gone, and the material can start breaking down under high heat. Experts warn that creamy starch meals are some of the hardest to heat evenly. Slower, stirred reheating in a wide glass bowl lets the temperature balance. The safe version of this comfort food only happens when every spoonful reaches piping hot, not just warm steam swirling up. Now a bright spot, proof that convenience can work with caution. Number 1. Amy's Light in Sodium Black Bean Enchilada. Amy's Light in Sodium Black Bean Enchilada shows what happens when a frozen meal is built with safety in mind from the start. It skips the heavy chemical load, uses real beans and vegetables, and cuts sodium so the sauce doesn't need synthetic stabilizers. Even the tray matters. It's paper-based, thick enough to hold up under heat without warping or releasing additives. People often doubt any frozen meal can be truly safe, but this one changes that math. The microwave safe label isn't just a claim. The production process aligns with it. Paper insulation handles heat more evenly than thin plastic, and the absence of shiny BPA coatings removes one major risk from the equation. The clean ingredient list also means fewer fats and preservatives for heat to distort. Less grease under high heat reduces those oxidation changes that darken flavor and raise health flags over time. The filling itself helps the process along. Black beans hold moisture and distribute it throughout the enchilada, keeping the temperature even so the core heats as steadily as the edges. When you cook it through and stir the sauce briefly, you get consistent heat with no cold pockets or burned corners. This is how eco-safe packaging and simple ingredients combine for reliable, safer reheating in a real-world kitchen. Number 2. Trader Joe's Chicken Tikka Masala. Trader Joe's Chicken Tikka Masala proves that not every plastic tray spells trouble. Most frozen dinners rely on thin, low-grade plastic that softens under heat. But this one uses a thicker polymer built to handle high microwave temperatures without warping. That solid design means the container holds its shape instead of seeping or bending mid-heat. It's the first sign that real engineering went into this meal instead of cheap volume packaging. The curry itself brings another advantage. Rich tomato sauce can separate if pushed too hard, but when portioned in the right ratio, sauce to meat to rice, the heat spreads evenly. That balance keeps fat from overheating or burning, while the moisture circulates, cutting down on the dry patch problem. Even if the edges start to bubble, the center stays in range long enough to kill microbes without scalding the surface. Here's something most people don't realize. Acidity helps safety. Tomato-based sauces like this one are naturally less welcoming to bacteria because of their lower pH, which gives a little extra protection during microwaving. And since Trader Joe's recipe leans on recognizable ingredients instead of heavy preservatives, there's less chance of synthetic additives breaking down when the heat climbs. Smart packaging, smart sauce chemistry, and balanced size. Those three factors keep this entree from crossing the danger line. Just stop the microwave halfway and stir to lock in both safety and flavor. Number 3. Healthy Choice Power Bowls. Here's where engineering meets nutrition. Healthy Choice Power Bowls. Spicy black bean and chicken. Take the idea of microwave meal and rebuild it from the container up. The bowl isn't just packaging, it's fiber reinforced and made from a plant base designed to handle heat without chemicals leaking into the food. BPA-free and microwave rated, it resists the softening and distortion that cause other trays to release additives. That stability keeps the food's texture true and the meal safer, even after full cooking time. People often think healthy means bland or watery, but here, the design carries most of the value. The deep, rounded bowl channels heat through the meal's center, creating mini convection cycles that even out temperature differences. Black beans and chicken heat at about the same rate because of balanced moisture, so you don't end up with dry edges and a cold middle. The sauce then stays glossy instead of separating into greasy streaks. Nutritionally, it skips the oversalting common in frozen dishes, but keeps enough water-rich vegetables to protect the proteins from drying or oxidizing. That means safer flavor and fewer compounds formed from overheated fat or meat. It's the small, physical design choices, shape, fiber strength, vent placement, that make this bowl work as a system, not just a serving tray. Bottom line, this meal shows how convenience food can be engineered for real microwave performance. Number 4. Real good foods. Chicken enchiladas. Not only a diet choice, this is one of the safer quick meals you can heat straight from the freezer. Real good foods chicken. Enchiladas stay low in carbs by using thin tortillas made from cheese and grain-free blends. That thinner mass changes the physics of microwaving. Less thickness means heat travels evenly through the filling, cutting the risk of a cold center. It's a small design shift that solves the uneven heating problem baked into so many frozen entrees. Skeptics worry that cleaner recipes spoil faster because they use fewer preservatives. But here, flash freezing does the heavy lifting. The manufacturing process locks moisture and temperature instantly, so bacteria don't get a head start before storage. When reheated, the shortened mass only needs a brief cycle to reach safe internal temperature, keeping both time and energy use down. Inside, the ingredients work in your favor. Real chicken and natural cheese, not starch fillers or gums, mean less grease breakdown under heat. That slows oxidation, reduces odd smells, and keeps the texture stable once melted. The tray design helps too. It's vented to let pressure escape so steam doesn't build to the bursting point. You avoid both spills and the dangerous blowout effect that oversealed packages can cause. Balanced design, fast heating, fewer chemical reactions, that's what makes this meal a quiet success. Clean recipe, smaller portion, safer reheating. A rare triple win. Number 5. Saffron Road Chicken Biryani. Ending strong with a global favorite, Saffron Road's chicken biryani shows how international flavor can meet modern microwave safety. This dish isn't a random mix of rice and spice tossed in a plastic tray. It's built in layers. Long-grain rice, vegetables, and seasoned chicken sealed inside a dual-layer container that controls how heat spreads. That packaging design helps deliver balanced warmth without drying surface grains or leaving the center cool. Rice can be risky. If it's undercooked or reheated poorly, bacillus spores can survive and multiply later. But here, the rice is pre-steamed and quickly frozen, stopping those spores before they ever wake up. That step, combined with sealed packaging, limits air exposure, the key ingredient bacteria need to grow. It's a quiet food safety move most people never notice. Heat distribution also gets careful attention. Each chicken piece is trimmed to a consistent size, and the spice mixture spreads moisture and oil evenly between grains. The result: fewer dry patches, no over-hot clumps, and less chemical stress on the ingredients. You get flavor balance and safer temperature control at the same time. Adding confidence, the packaging is BPA-free and clearly labeled for microwave use, reducing the uncertainty that still surrounds many frozen trays. That transparency and cautious pre-cook combine to make this biryani a rare case where global taste meets real, verifiable safety through design. Bottom line, the microwave isn't the enemy. The real danger comes from the mix of container, fat, and uneven heat. Unsafe plastics, dense sauces, or thick meats can trap cold spots where harmful microbes survive. But you can fix that fast. Check for the microwave safe symbol, move heavy meals into glass, and always heat through to a true center temperature. Those habits turn quick dinners into safe ones without losing time. Mistakes happen when convenience outruns care. Subscribe now and learn which grocery staples hide the same quiet chemical traps waiting in your own kitchen.